Simple answers to big questions, paranormal and beyond. Welcome to my chat. I am Sharath Pradhan, an engineer and an author. I have got a keen interest in all aspects of science and technology. I would like to talk to you about a subject that everyone is interested in, but only some will admit to it. It is about life after death. Let's be honest. There are many probabilities that we face in our life. But there is only one certain thing. That is, all of us will die someday. So, what happens afterwards? From the dawn of the time, mankind is seeking answers to these very big questions and have come up with their own ideas. Scientists have failed to answer these because the way they test proofs of these theories. Philosophers and theologists have tried to explain using their own mystical way that is rather difficult to follow. What the common people want is simple answers to these very big questions that are convincing. But before we turn our attention to the answers and explanations, let us first look at the big questions arising out of paranormal and beyond. Questions related to paranormal like soul, reincarnation, God, consciousness, meaning of life, free will, and there are many more. And there are many other scientific enigmas beyond the realm of paranormal like reality, time travel, gravity, and again many more. Let us dive a little deeper into some of these questions. Take for example soul and reincarnation. What's the nature of the soul? Why do we reincarnate? What happens between reincarnations? How long is the period between two reincarnations? You may think of many more. Regarding God and its nature, there are even more questions. For example, do you see God when you go to heaven? What does he look like? And what about the people of different faiths? And there are two most important questions. Why are we here? What is the meaning of life? And what about our destiny? Is everything in our life predetermined? Then, have we got any free will? Regarding some scientific enigmas, the nature of time and question of time travel is constantly debated. Same is true of gravity, anti-gravity, and how the universe came into existence. I have found answers to these questions and I have put them in plain scientific explanations in my recent book that you can read for free. But more about the book a bit later. First, let me explain to you how I came about this knowledge. It is a rather sad story. Nalini, my wife and companion and soulmate of 65 years, here she is, passed away 6 years ago. Many strange things started happening around me that indicated to me that she was trying to contact me. I tried hard in various ways to establish that it was really happening to me. Shocking though it was, with patience, I learned to contact her. Since then, she has been passing to me detailed information about life after death and answering many of my questions. She is very keen to pass on this information to all other people and has given me the following message. Tell people who have lost their loved ones that there is life after death. This will give them a lot of comfort. Make this the last mission of your life. Accordingly, I have written a book compiled from the notes I have taken over these years in the role of a scribe and made it available on Amazon as a printed book and e-book that is free to download. Both myself and my wife Nalini Pradhan are shown as the co-authors. The book is called The Science of Paranormal, the extraordinary story of our eternal life. Here it is. Have a look. Besides the informative part, the book contains full information about the tragedy that fell over me, the strange things that were happening around me, and my efforts to contact her. And above all, there is an astonishing story of our eternal lives that unfolded over many conversations during these years as husband and wife through many incarnations over thousands of years and over many continents that runs at the backbone of the book. You will find the book informative and hard to put down. Everything is explained clearly with no mumbo-jumbo type explanations that you find in books on similar subjects. Visit the Amazon site. There is a look inside facility to sample the book. Also, there are several reviews. Many people have told me that they find the book a source of comfort. You may find it too. God bless. Good luck and take care.